Let's continue with Lesson 9. In this Lesson 9, we'll draw a flower. It will look like this. So if you look, you'll see that we'll draw each petal and rotate it. Rotate it in a circle. So, first, we need to draw a petal and rotate it in a circle to create the flower. So, we'll use the editor. First, in the editor, we'll open a folder. Open folder. For example, we'll usually choose the code folder. Then we'll create a file. For simplicity, we'll call it file number 9.pyf. The name doesn't matter, everyone. The important thing is that it needs to end with .pyf. Alright. So let's start drawing here. First, we'll need the petal. So, to draw a petal, we'll use a function. A petal. The petal. So here, we can input the length as r. And the petal will be an arc, right?
An arc.
So first, we'll draw using a
Arc.
For an arc, we write the usual just circle. Circle. However, it needs circle, but for the arc's extent, we divide 360. For example, half would be 180. Now let's test this. So, to test, we'll use this project to call the function. For example, petal. And finally, we need to exit and click to prevent errors. Alright, if we run this to test, we'll get an arc, half of a circle. So, for the petal, we only need a quarter for it to look good. A quarter. So, for a quarter, this will be 90. For one petal, 90. Then we'll turn back this quarter. That's when we'll use the left. Here. Left by some angle, for example, 180. Then we'll turn back, so here we'll use circle again. Run this. It's reversed, isn't it? Too much. So, here we'll just use 90. It doesn't look quite right, so you'll reduce this arc and increase this angle. Now let's reduce the arc. For example, for this, let's make our A bit longer here. Let's make it 70. It's longer now. It's longer. Now we'll reduce this not 90 but just 60. 60 here, also 60. 60. So we'll increase this to 30, too. There, that looks good. So we'll have a.
Forward it back in.
Here we'll try increasing it to 100.
All right.
Our task is to rotate it. We'll rotate. Let's try rotating it now. Each petal here will have a color. This color is. For colors, if you're not familiar, you can search here. CSS color. Names, and it will show a list, then we'll choose what color it is. Deep pink. Deep pink.
All right.
Now we'll fill each petal here as well. To fill, we have fill color begin underscore fill and end underscore fill. So this is our shape. So we need fill color here. Begin underscore fill and end underscore fill. Here, we'll fill color. Deep pink. Then we'll begin underscore fill and end underscore fill. All right, here we'll combine these two. So here we can increase this. Let's delete this. Fill color, begin underscore fill. And end underscore fill. Okay, now let's start rotating. For rotating, you'll just use a loop. Here, we'll use a repeat block. Rotate this. So we'll use a loop block. And in this loop, we'll repeat. How many times? Let's figure out how many petals we need. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12, so we'll repeat 12 times.
All right.
Each time, we'll draw a petal. And after each petal, we'll turn an angle. Here, we can use left or right. So here, we'll use left. So, the left formula is to divide evenly 360 for a full circle, divided by 12. So, how much is that? It's 3, right? 30. So here, we'll loop here. Alright, let's run this. Why does 30 look a bit off? The issue is that when we draw here, there's a problem with left. Should we use left? Because here it already has the angle set. So first, we only need this test part. Let's test this directly. And here, the angle it turns each time it draws is already set. Like this. It has already turned. Since it has already turned, we need to readjust the initial drawing angle. So this relates to the function that adjusts the drawing angle. And you need to have a drawing angle for this. So here we need the angle to orient this. So, for the turning of the pedal, we won't just define it by r, but we'll also take an angle into account. So here, we'll have a second parameter, a. And before, you need to adjust its angle.
There.
Or, to make it simple, here we have this is 60, this is 60. That's 120, and with another 120, it's 240. So we need to left by another 60 degrees here. Adjusting this angle. So here, we won't need this. If we're a bit more flexible, we'll need an angle. To complete a full circle, if you just left here, look, it's right at the spot. After that, we'll left by another angle, which is to complete a full turn. So, right here, standing at this point, we'll left.